In the ancient time, graphic art was the only way for people to communicate. Prehistoric people used carbon left over from cooking fire to draw and communicate with others. Paraffin was produced in 1867, but it didn't sell to the public. Crayons are made from paraffin, a waxy substance derived from wood, coal, or petroleum. The early crayons were black and mainly sold in to factories. The Binney and Smith Company sold its first package of 8 colored crayons, suitable for use in schools by children in 1903. The Europeans also created crayons, but they contained materials that were toxic, such as charcoal and wax. These materials are not appropriate for children. In crayons, there are usually paraffin and pigment. The company have to store paraffin carefully because it has a really low melting point. Paraffin becomes liquid at about 57 degrees Celsius. Each crayon has different chemical compound because it's a different color. For example, one of the crayon is apparently labeled barium nitrate, BaNO3 to flame, which is to say that the crayon is the same color as the flame produced when you burn barium nitrate in air. Not that barium nitrate is a pigment used to produce the color in a crayon itself. Over the past 10 years, additional ingredients have been added to crayons. One of the most popular is glitter, small pieces of reflective material. Perfumes and other scents can also be added to the mix. In 2001, there was a concern about potential contamination of asbestos in many popular brands of crayons after the Seattle Post-Intelligencer reported in May of that year that they had tests performed, finding that 3 brands of crayons contained asbestos. All Corollas and Silly Putty products have been evaluated by an independent toxicologist and found to contain no non-toxic substance in sufficient quantities to be harmful to human body even if ingested or inhaled. However, some people still say that Corolla's product is poison. Nowadays, there are some other ingredients that we can use such as organic soil wax, beeswax, palm wax, and instead of using pigments, people use organic powder. However, using those ingredients caused the products more pricey. There are other brands that are 100% non-toxic and it's appropriate for children. A brand called We Can Too Veggie Crayons. It contains organic soil wax, non-GMO, organic blueberry powder, organic hibiscus powder, organic turmeric, organic spinach powder, organic beet powder. Another brand called Honey Stick. Their crayons are made of beeswax. And also homemade crayons. It contains palm wax, beeswax, and non-toxic color pigments.